Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I have some exciting information for EB5 investors, for people that are interested in applying for an EB5 investor visa. Specifically, we have some breaking news, and I'm going to share that with you in today's video, so make sure to stick around. Hey everyone, my name is Michael Ashoori and I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles, California. At my law firm, we work with clients from all 50 states and worldwide, and we regularly post videos to make sure that you're up to date with the latest immigration news, the latest immigration trends and tips, and we just want to help you by providing you with immigration information. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button now. So as I mentioned, in today's video, we have some big news to share with you regarding the EB5 investor visa. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I just want to give you a quick background. The EB5 investor visa is a special visa that allows somebody to get a green card based on making an investment in a US business and creating jobs for US workers. Well, back in June of 2021, a federal judge reduced the required minimum investment amount to qualify for an EB5 visa from $900,000 to $500,000. Now, when this happened, the Department of Homeland Security filed an appeal to this decision, seeking to have the investment amount increased back to $900,000. Now, there are a lot of details associated with that litigation, and I've posted multiple videos on that news when it took place. But what I want to share with you today is the breaking news that just took place on January 5th. And this news is that the Department of Homeland Security has dismissed its appeal of the decision that took place back in June of 2021, which reduced the investment amount to $500,000. So this is wonderful news for anybody that's considering an EB5 investor visa, because over the last several months, there's been a lot of speculation regarding what was going to happen with the EB5 investor visa, what was going to happen with the required investment amount, and there was a lot of speculation on this. Now, I want to mention that EB5 investors are not totally out of the woods. It's very possible that there could be legislation at some point in the future which seeks to increase the required investment amount for EB5. But as of right now, it appears that the required minimum investment amount to qualify for EB5 is $500,000. And again, that's wonderful news, because for the last number of years, the required investment amount was $900,000. And that $900,000 investment amount was very challenging for a lot of people that were just barely able to make the required minimum investment amount when it was at $500,000. So when it went to $900,000, it was out of reach for many potential investors. So again, the fact that the Department of Homeland Security has dismissed its appeal is wonderful news, because this means that at least for the time being, the investment amount is going to stay at $500,000. So now I just want to go over a couple of important points. The first important point that I want to mention is that the regional center component of the EB5 investor visa program is still lapsed. So there's two ways to qualify for an EB5 investor visa. Somebody can either make a direct investment, or they can make a regional center investment. They can invest in a regional center project. Well, the regional center component of the EB5 program has been lapsed for the last several months, and it continues to remain lapsed. We believe that at some point in the future, the regional center program will be revalidated and will be extended. But as of right now, the only way to qualify for an EB5 investor visa is by making a direct investment. A second important point that I want to mention, and it's something that I briefly glossed on earlier in this video, is that it's very possible that the EB5 minimum investment amount could go up at some point in the future by way of legislative action. So again, right now it's at $500,000, but it's possible that the investment amount could go up through some sort of legislation. So there you have it. That was the news for today's video, that the Department of Homeland Security has dismissed its appeal of the decision which took place back in June of 2021, which brought the minimum investment amount back down to $500,000. I hope you like this news. I hope you like this video. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, please make sure to share this video with them. We're all about empowering you with knowledge, so the more people that could watch this video that could benefit from this information, the better. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.